Forgotten username recovery failed on Finimize Fix. If you're trying to recover your Finimize username, but keep getting an error, here's the surprising truth: Finimize doesn't actually use usernames at all. That's right. Your account is connected entirely to your email, and once you know that, the fix becomes incredibly simple. Here's what to do. Open the Finimize app or visit their official website. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password or Trouble Signing In. Enter your registered email address and submit. Within a few moments, you'll receive an email containing a secure login or reset link. Click that link and you'll be signed back in immediately. No username required. If the email does arrive, check your spam or junk folders. If it's not there either, try another email you may have used when signing up. Searching your inbox for previous Finimize newsletters or account messages can help you confirm which one is connected to your account. If you've lost access to that email, contact Finimize's support team through their website or in-app chat. Provide your name, approximate SYN date, and any identifying details like your subscription type. Once they verify your identity, they'll help restore your access. Most users get tripped up here because they expect to recover a traditional username, but Finimize streamlined its system to rely entirely on email-based access. It's more secure, faster, and eliminates the need to remember yet another username. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, the solution is simple. Use your registered email, follow the recovery link, and you'll be back to reading insights and managing your financial knowledge on Finimize in no time.